Hi, Farmer Dean here. I'm gonna make leek potato soup today. It's so simple to make. 3 or 4 ingredients, you're all done. Here's my leeks. By the way, they're not green onions on steroids. They're actually called leeks. You're just gonna cut off this end and this end, and then we're gonna chop them up. I got 3 tablespoons of butter in here. I'm gonna put in my leeks. And it's gonna take me probably 5 to 10 minutes to get them where they're translucent. If you look at these, I'm stirring them quite a bit because I don't want them to burn. I'm gonna throw in my broth, and I've got about 3 boxes of broth. You want enough in there to cover your potatoes. You're gonna put in about 6 potatoes. By the way, I use 4 leeks. I'm only gonna put in 2 boxes to start with. That'll be about enough. Then I'm gonna throw in my potatoes. I cut up 6 nice medium-sized potatoes. I'm gonna throw in the aromatics, which is thyme, 3 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, and a couple bay leaves. And we're gonna put the top on those. We're gonna cook them down. So we're gonna put all this in the blender now. Blend this all up good. So after I blended it, it's pretty thick, as you can see. So I'm just gonna put just a little more liquid with it. Again, I'm using kettle and fire bone broth. I really like those people. If you want it to be all vegetarian, just use vegetable broth, but I like chicken broth. But now we gotta put in 1 cup of heavy cream. And we're gonna heat this back up now. Then we're gonna eat it and enjoy. So we're gonna give it a whirl here. Put in a scoop of that. Gotta have a few chives on top, of course. A few bacon bits. By the way, they're homemade. OMGs, is that good. Become my best friend. Like and follow.